Melissa, you were out on the riverways this summer measuring the water levels with the scientists, and it was quite low, as I recall.
Yeah, we were nervous going into fire season this year, even in the spring, because the winter and spring had been so dry. We knew that as of July, it was the driest start to a year that we had ever recorded, and we just assumed that maybe it would start to change, or at least had that hope, but it hasn't. It's continued to stay dry through the entire summer, now through the entire fall as well. And here's where we sit. We are now 22 inches below average in rainfall for the Eugene Airport for this point in 2013. Again, making this the driest start to a year that we have ever recorded here in the Eugene area. And those records do go back to the late 1800s. And again, we just don't have any time left in the year to make up that ground. I fully expect that this year will go down in the record books as the driest we've ever seen. Now, we did pick up 407-inch rainfall yesterday as that weak cold front did drop down from the north. Again, not a ton of rainfall for anyone. Here's a look at the official totals. 400ths in the South Valley. Roseburg, you picked up a little bit more, a little over a tenth for you. 1/100th as you head over to Bend, and even the coast, North Bend escaping all of it, 200ths there, North Bend. Here's the problem though, this time of year temperatures drop, and behind this storm, those clouds completely cleared overnight. Temperatures have dropped below freezing for all of us here today. Sitting at just 30 degrees in Eugene, 31 in Roseburg, low 30s as well along the coast. As you head over to Central Oregon, temperatures there down into the mid-20s. We even saw some snow showers across the Cascades and into Central Oregon. So with that said, all of that rain, that moisture that was at the surface late last night has now frozen on the roadways, making for a very icy morning commute. You need to allow a little extra time to get to wherever you're headed safely. That cold air mass will stick with us today, and even though we'll be sunny and dry this afternoon, it's going to be a chilly one. High temperatures not getting any further than the upper 30s. Now, we will see another storm dropping from the north on Friday tomorrow. That'll bring in another round of rain and has a chance and the potential to bring in some wintry precipitation here to the Pacific Northwest. So take a look at this again over the next 36 hours. That storm moves in across western Washington late tonight. We're talking about midnight, and that has decent chances as falling in snow just outside of Seattle, across the Olympics, up into the Washington Cascades, across British Columbia. Then it will continue to drop down from the north overnight. By the time it gets to Portland, that cold air mass still in place, and they'll likely see a wintry mix. It's going to be a combination of rain, snow mix, sleet. They could even see a little bit of freezing rain, especially up the Columbia River Gorge. At that point, though, Eugene is still dry. We won't see the rain until later in the day. So for us, it'll be dry through the morning, and then we'll see that rain later in the evening. But that will start out as snow across Cascade Passes. So if you're traveling that way, you want to be prepared for that. Otherwise, we continue to see that rain through Saturday. So again, watch out for those icy roads this morning. It'll be dry and sunny, but chilly today. We do have that potential, very slight chance of a wintry mix early Friday before it does change back to all rain Friday afternoon. And then we have those showers to kick off the winter season, which does officially begin on Saturday. Today, pretty quiet, mostly sunny, highs in the mid-40s for the coast, mid-30s tonight. The Umpqua Basin, you'll also drop below freezing again tonight, seeing partly sunny skies and dry this afternoon. The Cascades will stay below freezing all day, chilly, but otherwise mostly sunny. Same story for those of you in Central Oregon. Heading back to the Willamette Valley, highs will be in the upper 30s, dropping to the mid to upper 20s tonight. So chilly. Watch out for those icy conditions here this morning. As for the next 7-day stretch, we'll see that rain on Friday, showers Saturday at the coast, dry Sunday before that next storm drops in Monday night. The Umpqua Basin, you also see a few showers here Friday into Saturday, dry Sunday, just a few light showers Monday into Christmas Eve. But Christmas Day is dry. The Cascades pretty mild. It's going to be a rain snow mix through the weekend, back to snow on Tuesday. And for the Willamette Valley, again, high temperatures warming back into the mid to upper 40s. Few showers as we head into Saturday. Another round of showers Monday night into Christmas Eve morning, but dry for Christmas Eve night.